Hello students, welcome to English grammar class. Today we will start our chapter number 10, pronouns. First we read about the pronouns. Words that are used in place of a noun are known as pronoun. ये words किसी नाउन की प्लेस पे यूज़ किया जाता है उसे pronouns बोलते हैं. द नीड ऑफ pronouns मेक इट ईजियर टू रीड एंड टू स्पीक अबाउट समथिंग. लुक एट द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस. pronouns क्या करते हैं, हमें ईजी वे देता है रीड करने के लिए और स्पीक करने के लिए. मोहित वॉज वेरी हैप्पी दैट मोहित फादर वॉज गोइंग टू अटेंड द एनुअल डे ऑफ मोहित स्कूल सिंस मोहित वॉज गेटिंग अ प्राइज डे. इट इज़ सो मच बेटर इफ़ वी राइट इट एज. इस सेंटेंस को इन्होंने नाउन प्रोनाउंस के साथ चेंज किया है. मोहित वॉज वेरी हैप्पी दैट हिज फादर वॉज गोइंग टू अटेंड द एनुअल डे ऑफ हिज स्कूल सिंस ही वॉज गेटिंग द प्राइज दैट डे. Again, if we wish to know about the ownership of a car, naturally we cannot state the owner's name, but by a question we say whose car is that, thus placing a word instead of the name till we learn the name. यहाँ पे उसने ये पूछा है कि whose car, जबकि उसने उसके ऑनर का नाम नहीं लिया. Kinds of pronouns. Pronouns can be of many types. Personal pronouns I, you, he, she, it, we, they. We all know about the personal pronouns. For example, I live in a house on a hill. You are my best friend. He is the tallest boy in the class. Personal pronouns change their form in their predict of the sentence. जो personal pronoun है वो predict में sentences में कैसे change किया जाता है. I to me, you to you, he to him, she to her, it to it, we to us, they to them. For example, I asked the boy to sit down. इसमें क्या किया उसने, सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस क्या है, आई. द टीचर गेव मी अ स्टार फॉर गुड हैंड राइटिंग. इसमें प्रेडिक्ट कहाँ है, मी. आई को मी के साथ चेंज कर दिया. ही रैन द रेस वेरी फास्ट. हियर इज सब्जेक्ट. द प्रिंसिपल गिव हिम अ ट्रॉफी. हियर इज हिम इज अ प्रेडिक्ट. स्टार्ट द एक्सरसाइज. रिप्लेस द अंडरलाइन वर्ड्स विद सूटेबल pronouns. I sold my car to Gagan and Meena. The brakes of the car were not functioning properly as the car needed to be repaired. Here the car को किसके साथ चेंज किया गया, it. Meena gave the car to her daughter Meghna. Meghna dropped the car into a duck pond. Meghna had an accident. The duck pond belongs to me and my family. Me and my family को किसके साथ चेंज कर दिया गया, us, क्योंकि यहाँ पे दो के बारे में बात की है, उसके बारे में एंड उसकी फैमिली के बारे में. माई फैमिली एंड आई. हियर माई फैमिली एंड आई. तो इसको किसके साथ चेंज किया गया, वी के साथ. I now have to very unhappy duck. The duck it quacks all day long and irritates my family and me. My family and me both. So we change this one in us. Meena and Gagan have offered to pay me and my family by selling the car that still sits in the duck pond. Now the car cannot be pulled out by my family. तो the car को it and my family and me us. As the car is stuck in a pool of mud inside the pond. The car को it के साथ. My family and I have to pay the towing vehicle more money to get the car out of the duck pond. Here my family and I we. The car it. My family and I don't know what to do. Do you? My family and I have to change with we. Demonstrative pronouns are those words that identify or point to a thing or things and occasionally person. They can be both singular and plural. जो demonstrative pronouns है वो क्या होते हैं, singular and plural both होते हैं. They refer to nouns that are either nearby or far away in time or space. What does it mean exactly? इसका असली मतलब क्या है, there are only 4 demonstrative pronouns: this, that, these and those. This and that refers to single noun and these and those are identified as a plural nouns. The singular this and the plural these refer to the person, persons or things and things near the speaker. जो this and these है वो किसको रेफर करते हैं, persons को and things को. The singular that and the plural those refer to the person, persons or things. They are far away from the speaker, जो कि उनके वर्ड से दूर होते हैं और ये उनके साथ होता है. For example, this is my pencil case and that is your pencil case on the shelf over there in the study room. These are lemons and those are worms. Demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative pronouns are the same pronouns use the demonstrative adjective this, that, these and those. वो same होते हैं जो कि the differences in the sentences are the demonstrative pronouns take the place of the nouns phrase. The demonstrative adjective is always followed by a noun. जो कि demonstrative adjective होते हैं वो किसके द्वारा फॉलो किए जाते हैं, noun के थ्रू. Given below some demonstrative pronouns that are taking the place of the highlighted nouns phrase. The meal you are preparing smells amazing. That smells amazing. The weird yoga move were doing really hurt. This really hurts. As stated earlier, demonstrative adjectives are the adjective because they modify nouns. For example, is this file yours or mine? Did you finally throw away that old hat? Interrogative pronouns are words like what, which, who, whose, whom. In additions, that pronouns may take the suffix ever and so ever. For example, what is the name of the smallest continent? Who was the first president of India? Whatever did he say to me make her cry like that? Interrogative pronouns and interrogative adjectives. Interrogative pronouns is a pronoun that and refers therefore replace a noun. While interrogative adjective is an adjective that modifies the noun. जो कि किसकी replace होते हैं, noun की. interrogative adjectives के. A pronoun is a word that can be used to replace a noun. जो pronoun होता है किसको replace करता है, noun को. So we can come to the conclusion the interrogative pronoun is an interrogative which acts as a pronoun. For example, what is your favorite movie? Which are the best option? Interrogative adjectives are words that modify or qualify a noun or pronoun. Thus, an interrogative pronoun is an adjective that modifies a noun. Interrogative adjectives are always followed by a noun. जो कि interrogative adjectives होते हैं वो noun के द्वारा follow किए जाते हैं. Indefinitive pronouns are used to refer to people or things without saying exactly who or what they are. We use pronouns ending in body or one for people and pronouns ending in things or things. Anybody can play the guitar. Someone has to take the responsibility. She liked everything that I bought for her. इसमें हमने जो कि इंडिफिनिटिव प्रोनाउंस हैं उसमें हमने क्या किया है, एनीबॉडी, समवन और एवरीथिंग से यूज़ होते हैं. नाउ फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विद एप्रोप्रिएट प्रोनाउंस. वुड यू लाइक dash to start with before the main course? Here is something. I have tried calling but every time I made the effort there was nobody in. He sat at the dining table but did not have to share with his friend. यहाँ पे क्या था, anything. Ravi has prepared dash for supper which Tina will admire very much. But something. Dash offered assistance. They probably did not have the time for teamwork with someone. I met Dash, you know, the other day. He told me as he had missed you a lot. Someone. Did you turn the stove off? I think I can smell something burning. There is dash in the dustbin. It is completely clean. Nothing. That's a very relaxing job. Anybody can manage it. You can do anything. I don't really wish to give a second thought. जो कि appropriate pronoun है, इसमें क्या यूज़ होता है, something, nobody, anything, someone. Relative pronouns. Relative pronouns connect two statements by replacing the noun. जो कि relative pronouns हैं वो क्या करते हैं, दो states में जो होते हैं और किसको replace करते हैं, noun को. This is a girl. This girl got a prize for singing well. This is the girl who got a prize for singing well. In above sentence, the word who was replaced the word this girl is the second sentence. Such words are known as relative pronouns. Fill in the blanks with which, who, but or whose. I likened to the girl dash car had broken down in front of the shop. Here is whose. My Mr. Dharmesh dash is the chairman of the society, lives in the corner. Who. This is the girl dash comes to the school by car. Who. That Panis, the boy dash, has just been made the captain of the school. Who. Which is the book that you bought from the shop. The boy whose father is a professor forgot his umbrella. The children who threw mud at the car are not from our school. What do you think their parents will say when they find out about this? इसमें क्या करना है, relative pronouns को यूज़ करना है, इसके साथ सेंटेंस को कंप्लीट करने के लिए. Next one is reflexive pronouns. A reflexive pronoun is usually used when the object of sentences is the same as the subject. Each personal pronoun has its own reflexive pronouns. इसमें क्या है, जो reflexive pronoun है वो यूजली क्या होता है, ऑब्जेक्टिव्स होता है सेंटेंस का, इस जिसके साथ सेंटेंस सेम ही रहता है बट उसको पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस के साथ चेंज किया जाता है. आई को माई सेल्फ के साथ, ही को हर सेल्फ, यू योर सेल्फ, इफ़ you is singular. It, itself, you, yourselves. Here is for plural. We, ourselves, he, himself, they, themselves. Reflexive pronouns are used in these situations when the subject and objects are the same. और second, to emphasize the subject. Fill in the each blank with the suitable reflexive pronouns. हमें यहाँ पे क्या करना है, reflexive pronoun को यूज़ करना है. Elvis painted the T-shirt. किसके साथ? Elvis को चेंज किया, क्या है वो, किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, किसी के नाम नेम के बारे में, तो हमने इस पर himself कर दिया. Lina did the homework herself. We helped ourselves to make cake and wafers at the party. Azaz, did you carry all these bags by yourself? I wrote this poem myself. He cut himself with the knife while he was cooking the dinner. Trina and Geeta, if you want more milk, help yourselves. Laida and Libby rake the leaves themselves. जो reflexive noun के साथ चेंज कर दिया है, जो कि एक पर्सनल नाउन्स होते हैं. Emphatic pronouns. Now look at this sentence. I myself made the pineapple cake. My father himself made his doll's house. We ourselves trained the dog. The highlighted pronouns are used to convey emphasis. Sometimes reflective pronouns can also be used for emphasis. In such cases, they are called emphatic pronouns. This is done to emphasize that a person or things has done something. जो कि emphasis होते हैं वो किसी person और thing के साथ related होते हैं. To show that a person or things has done something without any help or interference for someone. जो कि किसी की help के बिना, किसी person के और किसी को इंटरफेस के बिना शो किए जाते हैं. टीना herself went to the lawyer. This is a emphasis person. Tina went to the lawyer herself. Emphasis on the person. Tina went to the lawyer by herself. Show that Tina went to the lawyer without anyone's help or interference. Reflexive and emphasis pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are formed by the addition of suffix selfish. Self for singular and selves for plural. Simple pronouns such as me, you, her, him, it, them and our. When the objects and the subject and the object refer to the same person, a reflexive pronoun is used for the object. I heard, myself. You study, yourself. Same person, same pronoun. Reflexive pronouns. However, when reflexive pronouns are used to put emphasis on the particular noun, they are called emphatic pronouns. For example, he himself informed me about this. I finished the task by myself. Identify whether the highlighted pronouns in these sentences are reflexive or emphatic. I will paint it myself. Here is it. So this is a reflexive. The poor man blamed himself. This is a reflexive. Because उसने अपने आप को blame किया. You yourself are to blame for this mess. Emphasis. You yourself. She hurt herself while playing. This is a reflexive. The boys themselves admitted to playing the prank. This is emphasis. I cannot bring myself to eat fish. This is a reflexive. The dog opened the door itself. Itself is a emphasis. We enjoyed ourselves at the picnic. This is a reflective. She saw Jay make it himself. Emphasis. You both have got yourselves into trouble. Emphasis. Read the incomplete I set given below and fill in the blanks with appropriate personal pronouns. My name is Amrit. Amrit am an Indian and this is my family. अमृत किसी का नाम है, यहाँ पे क्या है my, तो इसको हमने किसके साथ चेंज कर दिया I के साथ. My mom's name is पूनम. पूनम is from पंजाब. तो हमने इसको, उसने क्या बोला कि मेरी मॉम का नेम ये है और इसको हमने she के साथ कन्वर्ट कर दिया. Vinod is my dad. My dad he is a merchant. Peter and Paul आर ट्विन्स. यहाँ पे टू पीपल्स के नाम है तो इसको हमने दे के साथ कन्वर्ट कर दिया. ऑन द राइट यू कैन सी Aviral. Aviral is my brother. Here he. Asha, Alok, Angie and Fred dash live in Florence. तो इसमें कितने लोग हो गए, 4 पीपल्स के नाम है, इसको हमने दे के साथ कन्वर्ट कर दिया. Florence is not for the Rome. Florence क्या है, किसी प्लेस का नाम है तो इसको it के साथ. My grandparents live in Tanzania. My grandparents often come and see us. My grandparents, तो इसको दे के साथ. Hope you guys understand all about the pronouns. Thank you. Have a good day.